Forces can be broadly categorized into several types based on their origin and nature, which are critical in understanding mechanics and dynamics in physics. Here are the main types of forces. Contact forces. Normal force. This force acts perpendicular to the surfaces in contact. It supports objects against the pull of gravity. For example, when a book rests on a table, the table exerts an upward normal force to balance the book's weight. Frictional force. Acting parallel to the surfaces in contact, this force opposes the motion or attempt of motion. For instance, when you slide a box across the floor, friction resists the box's movement. Tension force. This force occurs in stretched materials like ropes or cables, pulling at both ends. When a rope is used to pull a bucket out of a well, the tension force is what pulls at the bucket and your hand. Long-range forces, acting over a distance without direct contact. Gravitational force, an attractive force that pulls objects with mass towards one another. This is the force that gives weight to physical objects and causes them to fall to the ground when dropped. Electromagnetic force. This category includes electrostatic forces, forces between charged particles, and magnetic forces. These forces are responsible for the repulsion and attraction between electric charges, as well as magnetic fields and their effects on magnetic materials. Nuclear force. Acting between subatomic particles, these forces include the strong nuclear force, which binds protons and neutrons in atomic nuclei, and the weak nuclear force, which is responsible for radioactive decay and nuclear fission. External forces. Applied force, a force that is applied to an object by a person or another object. When you push a shopping cart, the force of your push is an applied force. Air resistance. Drag. This force opposes the motion of objects through air or other fluids. For instance, a skydiver experiences air resistance which opposes and slows down their fall.